Hi, minasan, konnichiwa. Today we are going to see about this nande. This is one of the important point in NY and for the basic level structure. Okay, nande. What is nande? This is the kanji. Don't worry. Okay, nande. Nande means the reading for this kanji is nan. You should add de. Nande means it's the mode of transportation or by using what mode. Are you going to school? Are you going to office? Are you going to temple? Are going to travel? Anything. Nande means by what mode of transportation. And this is the structure. You should add after this nande only the movement verbs because see by what mode of transportation means obviously that is the moving object, right? The transportation is moving object, so you should use this nande before this moving verbs. Okay, and this is the meaning as I already told, by what means of transportation or by what mode of vehicle. Okay, here I will show you a little bits of examples, then you can understand more. Okay, someone is asking you, how you go to school? Or by using what mode of transportation or you go to school? By what mode of transportation are you using means you should ask Nande Gakkoye Ikimasu ka? This is the question. For that, you should answer. Here is the bus. Then in Japanese, bus means bus. Bus de gakko ye ikimasu. Here, bus is the bus and de is a mode of transportation. Gakko is a school. A is a direction marker. Ikimasu is to go. This is the complete sentence. And if someone is asking a question, as I already told before, nande. You can ask nande. By using what mode of transportation are you going to school? Gakko ye ikimasu ka? Or you can use any other sentences to ask this question. Nande kaisha ye ikimasu ka? Kaisha means company and ikimasu ka, that ka is a question mark. Right? Here they are asking Nande Tokyo e ikimasu ka? Ka is a question mark. If you want to ask somebody about something, then we should use this ka particle. Hi, wakarimasu ka? Like that, you can ask any type of questions by using Nande. And this is for your practice section. First question is Nande Gakkoye ikimasu ka? By using what mode of transportation are you going to school? Here we are showing you the train. There are lots of trains in Japan. You can tell any one train. One is Shinkansen, then is Densha, like that, Chikatetsu, like that. You can using any mode of trains you can tell. Here I can use Densha. Densha de gakko ye ikimasu. Densha is electric train. Okay. Densha is electric trains. There are lot of trains in Japan. Here we are using electric trains. By using electric train, I go to the school. And from this picture, what you can understand, the person is walking and go to the school. So aruite. For walking, in Japanese, the meaning is aruite. Gakko ye ikimasu. Wakarimasu ka minasan? Hai. Nande grammar point is overimashita. Hai, arigato gozaimashita.